how to enable auto reply in WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you enable the feature auto reply in your WhatsApp account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open your WhatsApp business account on the application WhatsApp business. So you have to install the application from the App Store or Play Store. So from there you'll have to just open the application with your WhatsApp business account. So simply open the WhatsApp business app. Alright, so after you open your account on WhatsApp business, you'll get such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the settings just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from here, you'll have to just tap on the option business tools. Okay, so from this business tool section, you'll have to move with the sections like messaging tools. So from here, you can easily set or enable the auto reply feature in WhatsApp. So for that, you'll have to just select this major feature from here. So on the greeting message section, you can easily send the greeting message to your customer on WhatsApps. Like you can customize this message to your customer on WhatsApp. So from here, you can add anything message from yourself to your customer. So you can, as usual, set it like thank you for contacting me, please let us know how can we help you. So after you done it, you'll have to just tap on save. Although you have the options like our message, so if you are away from the business, you can also set it the our message from here to your customer, or on the another hand, you can also go the options like quick replies. So from here you can also set your quick replies on your WhatsApp account. So from here you can also set it. So these are the features on auto reply message to your WhatsApp business account. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.